What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from saferwholesale.com, and this one here today we're doing a little video on the 200cc Zinger. Now this one, it's fuel injected EFI, and it's got disc brakes, you've got Bluetooth, all the goodies. Now, one crazy good amazing thing that this one has is when you guys purchase it, it's going to come fully assembled in the crate. So there's really not much to do. You do have to put on the little trunk here in the back and these mirrors, but other than that, it's going to come fully assembled. You're going to have your front tires on it, you're going to have your back tire, everything is going to come looking as shown here. Now we do have these in a few different colors. We've got the red, black, blue, and the white in stock right now. You do have to call us for color availability. This one, again, real nice disc brake there. This is a 14-inch rim and tire here on it. So again, it's nice and big, and then you've got your nice street tire on it. So you can go ahead and cruise and drive this one up to high speeds, 65 miles per hour, maybe even touch 70. And this one here, you've got your nice DOT mirrors, and this one is fully street legal and shippable all across the entire US of A. And when you turn it on, mode. You've got, again, your speaker right here, your Bluetooth mode to go ahead and turn it on. You're gonna squeeze that brake and go ahead and start it right up. And like I said, fuel injected, okay? You can flip the seat up here, and then there's storage underneath here in the compartment. And then of course, you've got your optional trunk. You guys and gals can go ahead and add this to your order today. You've got keys for the trunk, you got keys for the scooter, and again, like I said, you've got Bluetooth. Now, obviously, you've got your mechanic stand, and then you do have a regular kickstand as well. So you can make use of either or, and again, nationwide shippable. In stock, available today, and we can ship all across the entire USA. So give us a call, 866-606-3991, and check out the dash right here, real nice. Again, you've got your manual dash with your digital gas gauge, and then your mileage right there, odometer. And so like I said, just give us a call, any questions you may have, and we can ship these, once again, nationwide, right to your front door. The Clash is very similar. However, this one here, the Zinger, does come fully assembled and does have a different front end. So this one here, it is a 2-passenger. You've got your pegs for your rear as well, and then you also do have your kickstand as well. Once again, fuel injection, nationwide shipping, cool colors available, and we can ship it all across the entire USA. So call us today, 866-606-3991, saferwholesale.com.